You've been searching online for hair care solutions and came across herein.com, a site that claims to offer everything from hair treatments to premium extensions, promising thicker, healthier, more beautiful hair. You're probably wondering, is this the real deal or just another digital trap? In this video, we take a deep dive into the truth behind herein.com, and what we found might surprise you. The website looks polished and professional, with bold claims like being featured in major media outlets, but there's absolutely no verifiable proof of any such exposure. Even more concerning, the business address listed on Haluxy is also linked to another sketchy online store, tracksp.com, which has its own trail of negative reports. The glowing before and after images used to market their products are found all over the internet, suggesting they were likely copied from other sources rather than real customer submissions. On top of that, the site claims over 22,000 happy customers, but try to find even one honest review on Trustpilot or reputable review sites and you'll come up empty-handed. They don't offer live chat, there's no customer service phone number, and their social media presence is weak at best, with barely any engagement or feedback from actual buyers. These signs don't outright prove it's a scam, but they do raise enough red flags to make you think twice. So before you pull out your credit card, stick around to see what we uncovered. You might end up saving your money and your peace of mind.